Let me ask you something. Have you ever stared at a blank page so long that it felt like the page was judging you? You are not alone. Writing can be tough, but don't worry. I have got you covered today with some tips to keep your motivation alive, even when writing feels impossible. Hello everyone, I am Pagalavan, writer, writing coach, and writing service provider with more than 20 years of experience. Trust me, I have had my share of battles with writer's block, and I am here to help you win yours. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was working on a novel that felt like more like climbing a mountain than writing a book. Every sentence was a struggle. I kept telling myself just one more paragraph. But honestly, I was ready to give up. Then one day, I took a break, went for a walk, and boom, ideas start flowing like water. Sometimes stepping away is all you need to find your way back. Here are some try and true tips to stay motivated when writing gets stuck. Set small goals. Don't aim to write an entire chapter in one go. Start with a paragraph or even a sentence. Remember, baby steps still move you forward. Change your environment. Stuck at your desk? Try writing in a cafe, a park, or even your couch. A new setting can boom up your ideas. Take breaks. Writing non-stop can drain your creativity. Schedule short breaks to recharge your mind. And no binge watching your favorite series doesn't count as a short break. Reward yourself. Finish a page, treat yourself to your favorite snack or a 10-minute dance party. Writing is hard work. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Read something inspiring. Reading other authors' work can fuel your creativity and remind you why not you started writing in the first place. Find a writing buddy. Share your struggles and progress with someone who understands. A little encouragement from a fellow writer can go a long way. And hey, if all else fails, try talking to your characters. Seriously, ask them what they want to do next. Just don't do it out loud in a public. You might get some strange looks. Feeling more motivated? Great. And don't forget to check out my next video in the Wordsmith Wisdom series, where I'll be talking you ways for writers to hear. Thank you for choosing perseverance over giving up, even when the road feels tough. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow writers, and subscribe to Writer Pagalavan for more writing insights. And let me know in the comments what's your go to tip for staying motivated when writing gets tough. Take care and keep writing.